Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tank pudding. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now, let's combine our ingredients. In a small bowl, whisk together the cornstarch and sugar with about 1/4 cup of the milk until there are no lumps. Meanwhile, gently heat the remaining milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Gradually pour the cornstarch mixture into the hot milk, whisking continuously to prevent any scorching or lumps from forming. Keep stirring until it thickens. As you continue to stir, you'll notice the pudding beginning to thicken beautifully. Once it coats the back of a spoon, remove it from the heat. Now, it's time to add that wonderful 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and the pinch of salt for a perfect flavor balance. Carefully pour the warm pudding into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. Cover it and chill in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours to set properly. Your delicious tank pudding is now ready to be enjoyed. Once thoroughly chilled, it will have a wonderfully smooth and creamy texture. You can serve it simply as is or get creative with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a light sprinkle of cinnamon can elevate the experience. Store any remaining pudding in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.